arbitrationagreements.org. Hello friends. Today we are here to delve a little deeper into the fascinating world of alternative dispute resolution, specifically focusing on the concept of an impasse. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you keep your costs low and spirits high. Sometimes in the midst of negotiations or discussions, we find ourselves at a point where moving forward seems almost impossible. This is what we call an impasse, a roadblock that halts the progress in negotiations. An impasse doesn't necessarily mean the end of the road. In fact, it's a chance for us to revisit the drawing board, reassess our strategies, and find a more collaborative approach to resolution. It nudges us to think out of the box, find innovative solutions, and approach the situation with a fresh perspective. Now, we might wonder what exactly leads to an impasse. It could be a variety of factors: conflicting interests, communication breakdown, or even emotional barriers that might be clouding judgment. It's crucial for us to recognize these elements and work towards eliminating them. In 2020, studies showed that around 80% of businesses preferred alternative dispute resolution methods over traditional litigation, mainly to avoid these impasses and to find a more amicable, quicker resolution. And it's not just in the corporate world. Many communities and groups have been successfully employing these methods to find middle ground in disputes, fostering harmony and understanding among diverse groups of people. What we want to emphasize is, hitting an impasse is not a failure. It's an opportunity for growth and understanding. When we hit an impasse, it can serve as a sign that we need to take a step back, maybe even take a break and come back with renewed energy and perspective. If you want to learn more information about what an impasse is and how to handle one, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. Also, what strategies do you believe work best to eliminate an impasse and resolve a disagreement? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you save your money and time.